If you use more than one email address, the Yahoo Mail app makes it simple to switch between them without logging out and logging back in. This helps you stay organized and check all of your inboxes from one place. So the steps to switch accounts is to go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and also make sure that the Yahoo Mail application is up to date. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Either you're using Android or iPhone, that does not matter. A list of all added accounts will appear. If not, go ahead and tap on add another mailbox option. That is the initial option in this menu. Go ahead and choose either you want to use Google, Outlook, AOL, Yahoo, or any other, and you will be instantly logged in with the account that you just chose to log in with. Now, if you want to switch accounts, tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen, and you will see the list of accounts that has been added. Tap on the account that you want to switch to, and your inbox will refresh. If the other account isn't added, choose add another mailbox, follow the on-screen instructions like I did, and then sign in, and it will be available for quick switching. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.